Montclair. I didn't even know it was a Montclair store, right?
Well, I kind of wish your grandma still stayed in the hood at first, because at first they just said, "Oh, we was just so poor and ghetto," and everybody knew they came to Atlanta to have fun. A lot of family.
Nah, I don't like that. I'm gonna show you and I'm getting shut down. Because some of them be dumbing up a little bit. I didn't think it was a girl.
All right, so they claim the closest I can get to see the ball drop is this right here, which is on the freaking TV, which I could have stayed home to watch this on TV. In order to get any further, they claim you gotta have tickets, which they don't tell you that when you come here, but you find out the hard way. And I'm not gonna stand in the rain to watch no TV. So I'm about to bounce.
My underwear is soaked.
Exactly, my pants. I just didn't realize they wouldn't let you go down to see the
Huh? Where you from? Florida? Or Florida?
Daytona.
People been picking up bags left and
Yeah,
right.
exactly. That's true. I mean, unless they threw it over there.
No, we don't remove nothing.
Dude.
Did they check you?
There we go. All right, we made it. Now we can start getting up out of here, y'all. I'm gonna be the first to say, I personally will never come back here again for New Year's, ever. It was a cool experience, but it ain't worth it. I had to throw away my bag. I had to throw away all my stuff to only get inside and still not able to see the ball drop. If you don't have a ticket, if you don't know somebody, if you don't have a VIP pass or anything else, you will not get the chance to see the ball drop. And all you're doing is wasting your time. But it's still a cool experience. And if you get a chance to actually get up close, I'm pretty sure it's worth it, but you definitely got to be here at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon in order to get a good free spot, because what they don't tell you is you actually have to have a ticket for all the other spots to see the ball drop. And nobody has ever told me that. So that's the stuff they don't tell you on TV, but I'm telling you right now.
My phone at 3, Uncle Truck gonna call you.
Recording.
You do it. You the one who want to do it. It's
You were the one who asked me to record you. Know what you got to say?
Why you putting that so? You said subscribe, leave a like, and share the video.
All right.